Glasses or contacts? That's the tough choice facing everyone who needs vision correction. Lots of people have a strong preference for one of these, but they may not know about the benefits of the other. I'll break down the pros and cons of both glasses and contacts, and later talk about which one corrects for your vision errors better. It's estimated that over 4 billion people currently wear glasses across the world. Let's go over their pros. They're easy to wear, at least compared to contacts. You just plop them on your face and you're good to go. They're also easy to clean with just a little lens cleaner and microfiber cloth. Both your frames and the lenses themselves are really customizable. There are tons of different frames for whatever style you're going for. You could get transition lenses that change into sunglasses, and you can change the material of your lenses for more safety protection and so on. Glasses also last a long time, unless you're a klutz and you keep breaking them. They can be cost-effective in the long term because of how infrequently they need to be replaced. Putting your glasses on thankfully doesn't require any direct contact with your eyeballs. Finally, they give you some protection from the elements, blocking out some of the dust, wind, and other junk that might otherwise get into your eyes. So that's what makes glasses great, but what about their cons? They don't cover up your whole field of view, blocking a little bit of your peripheral vision. They're more expensive to replace than contacts if damaged or lost, so think about how much you trust yourself to prevent that. Having to keep glasses on your face can make it harder to play sports, dance your butt off, or do other active things. Because glasses sit about 12 millimeters in front of your eyes, looking around your field of view can make you look through different parts of the lenses, causing weird distortion effects, especially if you have a strong prescription. Contacts avoid this by sitting right up against your eyes. And the last con is that they aren't immune from wear and tear. They can fog up, especially if you're wearing a mask, like a lot of people realized during COVID, and smudge or get streaks if they're not cleaned enough. They can also get surface scratches, especially if they don't come with a scratch-resistant coating. Compared to glasses, which first showed up in the 13th century, contact lenses are a relatively recent invention. Let's talk about their pros. Because they sit on the surface of your eyes and move with them, contact lenses don't cut off your peripheral vision like glasses. And moving with your eyes prevents the motion sickness effect of glasses. Glasses might fly off your face if you're playing a sport, but contacts aren't going anywhere. They're not noticeable to other people, which is great for people who just don't like the look of glasses. You can put any pair of non-prescription sunglasses over contacts, so you don't need to get expensive prescription sunglasses. Losing or replacing contacts doesn't cost you nearly as much as losing a pair of glasses. But it's not all sunshine and roses for contacts. Contacts should be stored in a solution in a case when you're sleeping, and should be cleaned before and after wearing them. Daily disposable contacts that you only wear for one day are obviously an exception to this, which makes those a convenient choice for people who don't want to deal with the hassle of cleaning and storing normal contacts. It can take some time to get used to putting contacts in, wearing them, and taking them out. Touching your eyeballs is just weird and unnatural, but you do get better with practice. Not cleaning or taking out your contacts when you should could result in dry eyes or infections. So you need to be consistent with those things in order to keep wearing contacts. Contacts that don't fit properly or don't perfectly match your eye prescription could lead to eye strain and blurred vision, especially if you're staring at a screen for a while. And finally, contact lenses can cause blurry vision if they shift while you're wearing them, especially for people with astigmatism. Since both glasses and contacts are good for different things, your best bet might actually be to get both, giving you the best of both worlds. You obviously need to buy both of them though if you do that. As far as whether glasses or contacts correct for your vision errors better, in general, glasses will result in a better optical quality, forming more sharp and crisp images. But most people should be able to see really close to 20/20 with contacts, and some people with very high prescriptions actually see better with contacts than with glasses. That's because really strong glasses have more of those distortions. What about you? Are you team glasses? Are you team contacts? Maybe a little bit of both? Let us know down in the comments.